Hi guys. Hey, back a while ago when the RCF sent me a box of different vehicles, this was one of them, the Hornet and the Blackfoot were also included. So I have not been able to do a running video or anything with this yet. So here we go. Finally, things are kind of dry, and we have more rain coming tomorrow, but it's supposed to be an all-day rain event tomorrow. Yay. But anyway, I wanted to get some runs on this, so here we go. Thanks, RCF. Trying to drive it one-handed, so it's got a different motor in it, I believe. I know it's got an ARM ESC in it, but I don't think it's it's a dynamite motor. I don't think it's the original motor. Yeah, little guy. Oh man, those nice donuts. Heck yeah. Those bear donuts in the grasshopper. Woohoo! Gotta love donuts. Too cool. Nice. Ouch. Can't wait till spring is actually over and, well, enough that it's dry, you know, where it's friendly to us RC people, because, yeah, it's just, if it ain't snowing, it's raining, and it just sucks. Oh man, this little guy's fun. That's the other thing. I want to get the track built out at the RC club, so it can actually have an off-road track to go off from. But there again, weather dependent. So sorry for all the thump music in the background, but somebody over there's got it going down the park. So. But yeah, it'll be a lot of fun with this one when I get the track done, because this will be a great one for the track. It's the Tamiya Racing Fighter. Man, this is going to be a great race buggy. Heck yeah. Man, that battery didn't last long though. Wow. It sucks the power. I got full throttle right now and kind of dying. But there again, it's got a different motor too. It's not the normal 540, so man, this thing's a donut machine. Heck yeah. Woohoo. Gotta love it. I'm doing crop circles. Yeah, that's how donuts are meant to be made. Nice. Well guys, I'm gonna let you go, but I just wanted to get a video out because this is the first run of the Tamiya Racing Fighter out of the RCF's collection, and huge thanks go out to him. The RCF is just beyond words of what this man does for our hobby. So thank you once again, and you guys take care. Thanks. Stay tuned, and got more fun stuff to come. Thanks. Bye.